A strange triangular aircraft spotted near Area 51 has reignited long-standing questions about what really fell eyes over one of the most secretive locations in the United States. In January, explorer and videographer Anders Ottosson was camping near the Nevada Test and Training Range. Not far from Area 51, the region is well known for classified military activity, and over the years it has also become deeply associated with UFO speculation. Ottosson frequently documents remote areas, but what he encountered that night was unexpected, even by local standards. According to Ottosson, the night began with something fairly routine for the area. Around 1 a.m., he heard jet engines in the distance and soon spotted what appeared to be a B-2 stealth bomber flying overhead. Given the location, that sight alone wasn't unusual. But a few hours later, closer to 3 a.m., he noticed another aircraft that immediately stood out. In a video documenting the experience, Ottosson explained that this second flyover looked different. The aircraft was flying low and had a shape he described as close to an equilateral triangle with a flatter trailing edge. To simplify the description, he referred to it as Dorito-shaped. The silhouette was clearly triangular, and while it shared similarities with known stealth aircraft, it didn't quite match what he expected to see. Ottosson admitted that many people might assume it was simply a B-2 stealth bomber viewed at an odd angle, and he didn't dismiss that possibility himself. In fact, he openly stated that it's difficult to say conclusively what the footage shows. However, what makes the sighting notable is that it doesn't exist in isolation. Similar triangular or Dorito-shaped aircraft have been reported before. In 2014, a photographer named Jeff Templin captured images of a triangular object over Wichita, Kansas. That same year, Steve Douglas photographed a nearly identical object over Amarillo, Texas. In both cases, the images sparked debate and speculation, but no definitive explanation was ever provided. While the shape of these objects wasn't wildly different from advanced military aircraft, officials never confirmed what they were. When media outlets attempted to identify Templin's sighting, responses from authorities were vague or evasive. One Navy-related source suggested the shape was reminiscent of the canceled A-12 Avenger II program, a carrier-based stealth bomber that never entered service. The U.S. Air Force, however, declined to identify the object, stating that the image resolution was too low to even confirm whether it was a military aircraft at all. When the Federal Aviation Administration was asked for clarification, the response was simple: they did not know. Ottosson acknowledged this uncertainty in his own footage. He questioned whether what he saw was a classified test flight, routine training, or simply a known aircraft viewed from an unusual perspective. Still, when his sighting is considered alongside similar reports from Death Valley and earlier incidents dating back more than a decade, it raises questions. Are these sightings the result of misidentification, perspective, and coincidence? Or are they glimpses of classified aircraft that the public simply isn't meant to recognize? Given the secrecy surrounding Area 51 and the Nevada Test and Training Range, definitive answers are unlikely. Even when similar sightings have been documented in the past, official explanations have been minimal or non-existent. For now, Ottosson's footage joins a growing collection of unexplained triangular aircraft sightings objects that look familiar, yet never quite identifiable. Whether they represent experimental military technology or something else entirely remains unknown, and as with many incidents tied to Area 51, the mystery may be the only certainty.